Hey, good morning, everybody. Bob Trade Genius, the 18th of October. I want to show you something that's a little disturbing for me. I'm not sure how I'm going to play this thing out, but so we've had a nice run with silver. Ran all the way up 27 from this low, which is probably artificial here, down here at got all the way down to about 1080 area. And we've been struggling ever since. Now we're in the window where we should get a seasonal pop in silver and gold, but right now, to me, it looks like it's kind of tracing out a bit of a bear flag here. So now I'm watching to see if this is going to hold and rip to new highs here, which I have a measured move for 31, but I gotta be conscious of the downside here too. And with the political backdrop getting pretty nasty here, and this Biden thing might become real, may cause some really, really bad acrimony, and we may not be able to get any kind of stimulus done of the size in which the economy is going to require in order for it not to start lifting the dollar because of debt defaults coming in the real estate market and in people's personal bankruptcies and loans, and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So, having said all that, let's assume that I'm going to be right here. And, we have a flag, the flagpole, okay, from here to here. And if this thing now breaks down, I'm looking at 2156 is my line in the sand. And if we break that on a weekly basis, then we literally could fall 25%. Measure move, buff, close enough here. So 23.5%, still pretty scary. And if you think about it, if you look at and you pull a fib up on the this move that just happened, that puts us down at basically a 2/3 retracement. So it doesn't even mean we're not even bullish on silver from this down move. It just means that that's a pretty nasty move that I don't think I want to be part of. So for me, if I break down below this on a weekly basis, I'll probably pull my core miners off and wait and see, and just go flat and maybe even short it. So and I mean being net short silver and gold. I just have to be careful here. I'm just getting a little nervous here. Maybe it's just paranoia starting to creep in, but this sure looks like a bear flag. And then on a monthly, it doesn't look very positive either. So that breakout here, this is nearly an engulfing pattern. It can't climb back into the other top half of the range. Okay, and if we break on a monthly standpoint, if we break 2064, then pulls this whole move into jeopardy. So just bear that in mind. Didn't want to wake up and be Dr. Gloom, but at the same time, I don't want to be hoping and be broken. So anyway, I'll have more stuff to talk about later. So just should be a pretty interesting week. I'm kind of interested to see the reaction now that the politicians are talking stimulus again, how that reacts on Monday. But I think it's too little too late at the moment. And I think we're in for a pretty bumpy ride for the next couple weeks. Thanks for listening. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.